Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, September 29th. I'm Kaylee Nix, and this is your FreightWaves Morning Minute. All eyes are on Washington today as the Supreme Court is scheduled to discuss whether or not to grant review in two critical broker liability cases. The fundamental issue is the safety exception under the 1994 Federal Aviation Administration Authorization Act, which typically preempts state actions that affect transportation price, routes, or service. But the safety exception allows state action for negligence that causes physical harm. The key question is, does the exception's wording with respect to motor vehicles actually include third-party logistics providers or brokers? Most courts have said no, but not all. Now it's up to the Supreme Court to decide whether they will end a split between two circuit courts or send the decision back to the states. The FMCSA is getting more technology in its hands. Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy announced this week that the Phase 1 of the National Consumer Complaint Database modernization is now live. This long overdue tech upgrade is part of Secretary Duffy's broader pro-trucker package, which also includes funding for truck parking and regulatory reforms. The new system is designed to be mobile optimized and far easier to navigate, helping drivers report issues while actually on the road. For carriers, having an official federal mechanism for broker complaints could provide crucial documentation for fraud cases and also potentially trigger faster federal responses. Complaints filed through the system will become part of a company's permanent record and directly influence safety ratings and audit priorities. And the Surface Transportation Board says that it wants more time to review the proposed $85 billion acquisition of Norfolk Southern by Union Pacific. The STB has proposed a procedural schedule that slightly tweaks the original timeline laid out by UP and NS back in July. The board is granting the Justice Department and the Department of Transportation an extra 15 days to submit their official comments. This delay will allow those federal departments time to consider input filed by other railroads, shippers, labor unions, and communities. The railroads themselves are expected to file their applications sometime between October 29th and January 29th. Public hearings, the close of the record, and the date for a final decision are still listed as to be determined. Coming up today on FreightWaves TV, we've got Malcolm Harris here for What the Truck live at noon. And if you missed it, find your replay on FreightWaves YouTube channel and on SiriusXM Road Dog Trucking channel 146 tonight. We are just over 3 weeks away from the Future of Freight Festival right here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. You can still get $500 off your ticket at live.freightwaves.com, so go register before it's too late. That's it for your FreightWaves Morning Minute. Have a great day, and we'll be back tomorrow.